of these if you can switch them out fast.
What? Try what?
Out of the sea crane. Is it there?
Yeah, you wait. He's moving.
Oh, okay. That's no fucking aircraft,
He went
dude.
across the sky way too fast for a drone.
I know. Like I said, unless it's a fucking laser pointer.
It's not a laser pointer. They don't blink white.
I'm just saying.
Shit.
That's the only thing humanly that can move in those trajectories. And then it just stops.
Oh, I lost him. There he is.
Straight up ahead, up the top.
Yeah, I got him.
He's putting on a show for us.
Wow.
Look at that. It just willy-nilly. I saw white for a second.
And when he first zoomed across...
I don't know if it could be a drone.
No, dude, it zoomed across the sky way too fast.
That's what I'm just...
Drones can't go that fast.
I'm trying to make it rational.
Where is he? Wow.
He's cooking.
Oh.
He is cooking.
Okay.
It's pulsating. And then it blinks out.
Yeah.